Because of overhunting, overfishing, deforestation, pollution, and human ignorance, more and more animals are becoming endangered. As a consequence, a lot of food chains will be broken. This can cause a lot of disasters to the planet Earth, where you and I all live in. Imagine all the bats have long gone. You'll get more mosquito bites. Imagine all the honeybees have vanished. All your favorite fruits and vegetables will not be pollinated and grow. Imagine all the snakes have gone extinct. All the rats and mice will steal your crops and eat your food. How do you like that kind of life? Well, I don't like it at all. To help save the endangered animals, God's amazing creations, this is what we can do. Try to go green in our daily life and do not buy any souvenirs made from ivory or animal furs, and do not order shark fin soup. For more information about endangered animals, please contact our Nature Trackers Club